roundhouses. How does that look like? Right? Or, yeah. So, what you're gonna wanna do, right? There's four main points to this. We'll start off with one hand. Grab the mace, balance point. You bring your hand down and two away from your body. You bring the dome clockwise, or counterclockwise, actually. Bring the dome clockwise, and you do that by physically moving your hand. And then this is checkpoint number one. Next checkpoint comes down or over here. So you do from checkpoint one to checkpoint two, you do a whole 80 degrees or 180. So you start off at 90 degrees, 180, 180, and then this is where it gets tricky, right? So this is where it gets tricky. So you're at the 180. This is where the tip, you bring it up. And the way you do that is your wrist, you flick it up. Flick up the wrist. Flick up the wrist. Flick up the wrist, right? And so after that, you're here, flick up the wrist, and then you just bring it up. Because gravity will do the rest for you. You just bring it up, and gravity will bring it back to square one. So this is the one-handed roundhouse. Right? And then you do it with the other side. Same thing. Dome at the top, pointed 90 degrees, 180, flick that wrist, and then bring it to the top. And now, here's the tricky part. You do both hands. So you start off, right? Once you reach here, once you go from dome completely down, that's when you extend your hands at the same time. Flick the mace up, and then you get up here, right? Flick the mace up, and now you're here, right? Dome up, and how you pass it to you, you flick it up again. So exactly how you did here, you flick it up, you flick it up as well. So, right? Dome up, dome down, you start to spread your wings, domes up again, flick it, and then here is where you catch the mace. Right? Catch the mace, and then that part's the trickiest part. From here to here, that's probably the trickiest part of it all, because you gotta flick your wrist so that it goes all the way back up, and then flick it again, and then from there, flow, and then from there, flick, flick, and then from there, it's like if you're bringing it back down. It's very hard to teach online, but it's better than nothing. So, yeah. Oops, something got caught on me.